Good morning, students. So, again, after completing online test, that is third, we are back with a new lesson of geography, and that is changes in our surrounding. Now, daily, when you come out, you'll find many changes taking place. Morning, when you come out, it is a chilling cold. Afternoon, it is a little bit hot. Again, evening, climate gets changed. So, about this changes in surrounding, we are going to study in this a new lesson. When it is daytime, what is happening around us, we can see it very clearly. But when it is a night time, we can't see the happening around us clearly. The picture which is shown on page number 143, you can see the daytime you can witness everything. Trees you can see vehicles and many other things. But during night time, we can't see the things clearly, or it's not visible for us. So this is the changing in surrounding. It happens everywhere. It's not just in our part, it's everywhere. The reason is during the daytime, there is sunlight. And that is the reason we can witness, we can watch each and everything around us very clearly due to sunlight. We studied about sunrise, sunsets in chapter number 4, 5. You know the directions. We already studied. Now sun rises in east, sets in west. That we studied. Now in morning time, sun rises from east. There is a complete light everywhere. And that is the reason we can watch each and everything. But as sun sets in west, when sun goes down, there is less light. Light is not there in surrounding. There is not enough light. But at late night, we can see one thing, that is in the sky, we can see the stars. We can see the stars in the sky during the dark night, but we can't see what is happening in the surrounding due to the darkness. And due to this day and night, living beings get a few times affected. You have seen color. When sun rises, you can watch how red color it is in the surrounding. And sunsets also, it gets a different color. Even we know the shadow lies. When the sun rises, where does our shadow rise? When sun sets, where the shadow lies? We studied already these things. About shadows we studied. when it is sunset, when it is sunrises, and what is the length, that is long or short, we studied. Again, we studied about when the sun is overhead, right at 12 o'clock. How does shadow get changed? And in evening, how does shadow looks? Even that we studied. So, about this in more detail we are going to study in this lesson, that is changes in surrounding, long shadows and short shadows. Everyone knows, I told you before only, everyone, we already studied these things. In the morning, sun rises from east. Remember well, students, sun rises in east. Before rising of sun, we can see various shades of colors in the sky. If you wake up in morning, you'll understand. When you see towards the east direction, you'll understand the colors in the sky towards east direction. Even you can learn when you are out in the morning if you are waking before 6:30, then only you can see this. Many students, they have a habit, they wake up at 8 o'clock and they start doing their morning activities. But the students who wake up before 6:30 or 6 o'clock, they can see these things happening in the sky. What are the different changes of colors, shades in the sky? And during morning time only you can watch towards the sun, because the light of the sun is little bit soft in morning. And as in morning, sun rises from the east, the shadow falls towards the west, and the shadow is longer in size. And the movement of sun, from that time onwards, the movement of sun starts. And as the movement of sun starts from east towards the west, the shadows become shorter. When this sun directly comes overhead, you'll find the shadows are very short. Now, as we studied, when the movement of sun starts from east towards the west, the shadow, when it starts from east, shadow falls towards west, and now the movement of sun is towards the west direction. After overhead, it is moving towards the west direction. Naturally, the shadows will fall towards east direction. So this is the sun slowly being shifted towards the west, and shadow starts moving towards east, and that shadow is also longer. Even when the time is of sunsets, you'll find various colors are seen in the sky towards the west direction. So when sun rises, you'll find shades of different colors, and sunsets, you'll find shades of different color. And regular time, you'll find the sky is blue every time. So